welcome to my channel.
Boxers or briefs. Completely started shouting at the girl in that car. Run it back up. Huge win. Morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. John here with another day off video, enjoying my day off. Hope you guys are as well. And we're headed to the laundromat. First stop on the day off journey. Right now I'm getting the car aired out because someone decided to accidentally leave some dirty work clothes in the car that just so happened to be going to get washed. But ooh, gotta air this car out. Fellas, do you know? Ladies, do you know? Do you know about this as well? This is my wife's car, and so she's a big UNC fan. I am a Duke fan. We somehow made it past the first round by the skin of our teeth. Almost lost to Siena, and my wife's team, they gone. Right now I'm trying not to jinx myself because at the time I'm making this video, we are getting ready to face TCU, which knocked off Ohio State. Shout out your team in the comments, who you repping for the tournament. And the first stop is a little bit of laundry soap and a little bit of scent beads. Kind of makes me think that you have Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, and they're all chain places, and you know, they're out there making big bucks because literally there's like a Dollar General or one of the other ones on every damn corner in this, at least in Ohio. I'm sure everywhere else though, in these rural parts of rural states and whatnot. But where are the locally owned independent dollar stores? I guess they've all been ran out of business, I'm sure, because of places like this. I don't know. Same could go for your hardware, big, you know, I'm not trying to make this political, but the big stores are kind of invaded and really taken over the small idea. But I'm just wondering, like, does your town or state or country you live in have like an independently ran, locally owned, just in your area type of retail dollar-esque store? Drop a comment. That car leaving right now. Dude just came out of the store and just completely started shouting at the girl in that car, saying, you know, you're too lazy to come in the store. Is she booking it? Wild. Oh, I didn't get that drama on camera. Out here at the old Quick Clean, what we do is we have a fully functioning working washer and dryer, but my wife likes to save up a combination of things, bedding and things like that. And also today I think it's actually a little bit of the heavier clothes from winter, and then I've got my work clothes, and then we just bring them here to wash in one big swoop. Started. As you can see, it's very loud. Well, I guess you can't see, but you can probably hear that it's very loud. It's time to park it and wait for them to be done.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Was not expecting that at all. All right, guys, we're going into Ollie's next door. that was golden. Huh? That's your intro. We're gonna have to use it over and over again.
Neon wall art.
I thought it was gonna be a box of chocolates. I am not a beginner. Got a half hour to go in the washer, so we're just next door here at the Ollie's browsing. I need some stuff though. I need some new undergarments, you guys. chili mango. It's crazy how popular this got. This was something that was being done locally, and now the big candy companies are making it happen. Skittles had to jump in and say, hey, if you're going to use our product, we're going to be the ones who make the money off of it. My wife said she just misses ketchup chips. Do you guys eat ketchup chips? You already know I don't eat ketchup on hardly anything. Look at this weightlifting trash bag. Reminds me of this conversation I had with a former Mennonite coworker about doing an action-adventure comic called Crime Fighting Mennonite. That's going to be a big nope, because there's none of my size. Got the stuff. We got the stuff. We got ourselves a new dish strainer, some socks. What else did we get in here? Some Martha Stewart pans, because you got to have cooking pans. Yeah. Seriously, this woman is everywhere I go. I need this channel to get popular enough that way I can have Martha in a video, but we're just not there yet, guys. But if you want to help out, make sure you're liking the videos. If you're enjoying the content and you're watching and you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel a lot. And also share it on your social medias for me. Do me a solid. Do something for your guy here. All right, got to pull the car around and then get the clothes loaded. And it looks like we're going to have to do a Wally World trip because I could not find myself the underoos that I needed. You guys remember when we were kids hating getting socks and underwear? I treasure those moments now. Like straight up give me clothes for Christmas. And, you know, get me decked out, because I don't really buy them for myself half the time. I just don't. So socks and underwear, an adult man's delicacy at this point. No ties though. I don't need a tie. Actually, I take that back. I do have an event coming up later in the year. Probably need to get myself a nice suit. Can't spill the beans just yet. I'm sure you guys will get to come along. Just had to show you guys what smells really wonderful right now. But I'm gonna walk away. People wear this shirt now, and they think it's a fashion brand. I love the Nirvana clothing brand. All right, not only did I manage to find boxers, got some swim trunks for a trip coming up, guys. That's right, here in about 55 days. My wife and I are finally taking our first airplane trip together. We are taking a trip to the most magical place on earth, Disney World. My first time going into the park outside Disney Springs, and my wife's, who knows how many times I've lost count, she's gone to Disney with her friends. Here in about 55 days. I'm looking forward to a little R&R with some mouse. But I needed to get some swim trunks for the pool resort. You are seeing that correct, guys. It's not the same Dollar General at all. Whole different sign, but it still says Dollar General. We are at our second location of the day. Getting into spring cleaning mode at the house. Won't bore you guys with that, but needless to say, it needs to get done because it's finally, hopefully, gonna stay warm. You know. So we're gonna go home, get the clothes where they need to be, have a little lunch, and then we're going to start knocking out some house cleaning. There we go, boys. There we go. Run it back up. Huge win, huge comeback. That's right, Duke Blue Devils, amazing sunset. Been a pretty good day, guys. I've been helping clean. I've been watching basketball. I've been watching my team come back from a scary, scary situation. 2 games now, it's like that. But we're going back to the Sweet 16. I will share sunsets like that no matter what. Look at that. God's creation is amazing. I hope when it's all said and done, us humans manage to leave this world in a really good place. Although biblically, I know what's going to happen, but I just hope the outcome of the earth itself just looks nice aesthetically. Anyway, guys, I'm trying to convince my wife to go on an evening walk. I think it's just great outside right now, maybe light jacket at most. So I think this is where I'm going to end the video. Hope you enjoyed following along and enjoying a little bit of day-to-day. It's the day off, laundry, shopping, that sort of thing. If you did, make sure, again, you like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'm going to see what she wants to do. Who knows? We've just been distracting our day with basketball, cleaning, and hanging out. So I hope you enjoyed your day off as much as I am, and we'll catch you on the next one.